Welcome to RS Home Tutor. This channel provides Telangana and Andhra Pradesh maths video lessons for all grades 6 to 10th by Nagoji. Solving the questions from 9th class textbook. Question from Real Numbers chapter, exercise 1.1, question number 6. Already part 1 we done. We are seeing the part 2. We'll go here. So 2 by 3. So 2 by 3. I will give a very simple one to do this. Suppose if we have 1 by 9, divide 1 by 9, you will get 0.1 bar. So 2 by 9. So 2 with 9, you will get 0.2 bar. Check once. You do it as this as a homework. 3 by 9, that is nothing but 0.3 bar, and so on. So this concept I am applying here. I am multiplying with 3 by 3. So then what I will get? 6 by 9. So 6 by 9. Similarly, what I have done earlier, if you observe this, you will write it as this one as 0.6 bar. So this is the very easiest way to do this sum. If not, anyhow you know the division method. So 2 you divide with 3. So 2 by 3, 3 with 2, divide with 3. You can't write in this way, 2 with 3. 2 with 2, not 3. 3. So if you do this one, so anyhow in 3 table 2 doesn't go, and if I take the decimal point, I can keep 0 here. So 3 6 18. So the difference is how much? 2. Again I can take the 0 here. 3 6 18. Again I got the remainder 2. So every time I am getting the remainder as 2. So that's why, so this is a repeated decimal, 0.6 bar I can write. So your answer will be 0.66666666. It doesn't terminate, so this can be written as 0.6 bar. Already we got the same answer here. So that's all about the sum. So this is, we can't apply here. Most of the children, they will confuse whether they will divide with 2 or divide with 3. So we have to divide with 3. That's all. So solving the question number 2, what he has given? Minus 25 by 36. So just keep it aside, minus. Just we have to divide 25 with 36. So what will you will get the answer? If I take the decimal point, I can keep 0. So it is how many times it will go? Here in the right hand side, I already wrote the table of 36. To avoid the taking much time, just write down the 36 table. It will help you to divide easily. So nearby 252, but it is more than that. I can take it as 216. So 36 6. So 36 6 216. So the difference is how much? 4. 4 minus 1, 3, 34. Again I can take the 0 as a by default. So 340. 340 is near about 9. So 36 9s 324. If I subtract, what I will get? 16. I can take 0 as default. 160. It is nearer to 144, and it will go in 4 table. 436 144. So again what I'm getting here, answer as remainder as 16. So earlier I got 16 as a remainder, again here also I got the 16 as a remainder. So definitely 16 will repeat. So that's why it will go on like that, 4 will continue infinite times. Therefore I can write this answer as 0.694 bar. 4 is repeating here, and we have kept aside the minus sign, so your answer will be minus of 0.694 bar. So that's all about this sum. I hope you understood. So we'll see the third question. What is the third question? We have 22/7. Most of the children, they will assume that it is a rational number, but it's not a rational number. It's rational. It is in the form of p by q. So 22 you divide with 7. So definitely no need of taking decimal point. Directly to go in 3 table. 3 sevens are 21. So the difference is 1. Now 7 with 1. Anyhow, we have to take the decimal point, then we can take a 0. 7 ones are 7. So the difference is how much? 3. I can take the 0. 7 fours are 28. Difference is how much? 2. And I can take the 0 as default. Again it will go in 2 table. 7 2s are 14. The difference is how much? The difference is how much? 6. And it will go like this. This is never terminate. You can't get 0. So therefore I can write this as the final answer is 3.142. So that's all. If you want to do, you go for one more step. Take 0. 8s are 56. So 60 minus 56, again 4. You can 0. So it doesn't terminate, and it goes so on. So just click on after 3 decimals. You can stop it, and you can tell that it's non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal. NTD. Here is the last question. What is the last question? We have 11/9. So 11 we will divide with 9. So no need to take the decimal point. Direct it will goes 1s are 9. So 2 is the difference. I can take the point, decimal point. I can keep the 0 here. So 9 2s are 18. The difference is 2. By default I can take 0. Again 9 2s are 18. The remainder is 2. So remainder 2 is repeating. So this is the answer as 0. Not 0 point. It's already 1. So 1.2 bar. Why? Because of 2 is repeating infinitely. So 1.2 bar. Earlier we did this type of sums. So here we can do in this way also. So 11/9. I can write this as 1 2/9. I converted into the mixed fraction. 1 2/9. So 1 plus 2/9. 1 plus 2/9. Earlier 2/9 we can write it as 2 bar. So 0.2 bar. So 1.2 bar. Your answer is 1.2 bar. What we got after division, answer the same thing. So this is a shortcut method. If you want, you can do in this way also. but definitely it is a shortcut. So there is no confusion if you divide in this way. So one thing you can neatly and keenly observe, that the remainder is repeating or not. You have to check it for all these type of questions. Thank you. I hope you already enjoyed.